Afternoon everyone. Here we are going to solve another Leetcode problem. So the problem is subsequence. So given two strings s and t, we will return true if s is a subsequence of t. Otherwise, we will return false. So what does subsequence mean? It means that all the character of string t has to be found in string. All the character of string s has to be found in string t. Okay, they return true, otherwise we return false. Here we can see that s is not present in string t, then we are returning false. Okay, for example, here we can see we are pointed I for string s and pointed j for string t. Okay, so we will check whether string s first letter means I equal to a and a is present in string t or not. So here we can see that a is present in string t. What will we do? We will iterate the value of I by 1. So here we can see that b is present in string t or not. So b is present on the second character of string t 0, 1, 2. So here we can see that b is present in the second character. So we will iterate the value of I by 1. So here we have to check whether c is present in the string t or not. So C is present on the last character of string T. So hence we have found all the character of string S in string T. Then we will return the means we will close the iteration and we will return true. Okay. Now let's solve this problem. Here what we'll do, we have declared I and J 0, comma 0. Okay. So it means that we have defined I and J as 0. Now what we'll do, we will iterate here we will do the while loop while I is less than length of s and j is less than length of t. Okay, so I we have appointed I for s and j for t. Okay, so if s of I equal to t of j, then we will iterate the value I by 1. Okay, if you are not found as first character in string t, then we will check with the other characters of string t. So we treat j equal to j plus 1. Okay, means we are finding with the other characters. So once we have done with this, then we will if sorry if I equal to length of s means we have come to the end of the iteration, then we will return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. Okay, then we will run this. I hope it will run. Yeah, it has accepted the code, and let's submit this. I hope it should be submitted. Yeah, it has submitted the code, and that's it. That is the solution. And thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe, and please share to all your friends so that they can start solving questions of lead code and they can enhance their coding skills. So thank you for watching.